Why does your scanner show the P0513 engine code? What does it mean? P0513 is a diagnostic trouble code for incorrect immobilizer key malfunction. It indicates that the PCM has found an issue with the immobilizer key ID. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: a faulty immobilizer key or antenna, a problem with the key fob circuit, a damaged immobilizer control unit, a bad ignition cylinder, a low-quality immobilizer key. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code appears in various OBD2 vehicles, including Chrysler, Dodge, Hyundai, Jeep, and Mazda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.